Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create Square account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Square. After that, open the official website and then click on Get Started. Now, you will be prompted to enter your email address, password, and region. Once done, check mark this box and click on the Continue button. Here, you will need to enter your business name and the type of business it is. Once you get to the next step, you will be required to fill in all of these required fields. After you are done, proceed to the next step and skip it. Skip this step as well. Now you can select the hardware you like and add it to your cart. It is not an important step, but it's your choice. Here, click on Next and then skip this step again. Once done, you will be asked to verify your phone number. You can verify it or you can just skip. Now you will be prompted to verify your identity and then enter your social security number. You can either verify it right now or you can just click on the I'll do this later button. Now you can just select one of these options or skip this step. After that, click on Next and then select the Set up your dashboard feature. It will then start loading it up. Once it completes, your Square account will be created successfully. So that's basically how you can create Square account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.